Alright guys, I'm really excited because today just came in the Mac Mini. This is the base model Mac Mini. So the 16 gigs, 256 gigs of storage and everything. I'm so excited. So let's unbox it together and see what's up. Top down shot. Yeah, top down shot it is. Ooh, whoa, hey, dude, it is really small indeed. It is really small indeed. Wow. Wait, let me, oh man, we need to, where's the start of the peel? Oh, here. Nice. So nice. 22. Where's the rest of it? Damn. So cool. What's even more inside of this box? I don't think anything very special actually. Hell. Alright. What else we got here? Some things. Alright, so some basic stuff. And that's it. That's really it. Just this cable and that. Oh man. Oh man, dude. This is like the thumbnail. You're like so. Just look at this, guys. Look how nice it looks here sitting on my little desk. The Mac Mini. I'm installing it right now. There's a software update and everything, so I have to wait. I have to be patient, but yeah, sitting here nicely, waiting and waiting to be used. Anyways, so there you have it, the M4 Mac Mini unboxing, first impression. So far, I'm really happy with it. It's such a small device. You can even see it here next to me, like really small box. Maybe I even put it somewhere else, but I really need to have a new type of dongle or a docking station or something like that. But so far, I'm really happy with it. I'm very curious to see how it will handle with full YouTube videos, editing and stuff like that. And the things that I'm doing with it is just photo editing, video editing, and just normal business stuff basically. So if you got any questions regarding this base model M4 Mac Mini, let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, stay safe, stay happy. I'll see you in the next one. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, by the way, so to see the full review. And if you got any questions, then I can answer those questions in that video. All right, that's it guys. See you. Bye.